Drop the top on the roof, let the diamonds hit the sun. I used to try to make fun, now every day I make fun. I just had a feeling, I always knew I was the one. I knew it.
Man, this thing going off, boy. So, you already know we back with the POV, man. About to go fill the car up because we are like on 83 miles. We about to go head to Maya crib, man. So, you know, slight little POV on the way over there. And then, I think I'm gonna actually be letting Maya get behind the wheel, man. We're gonna let Maya get behind the wheel and see how she get active. Right now, we gotta put some gas in the car before I even head that way. So, let's go and pull up to this pump. I'm gonna put a good amount of money in here. Go and pop the thing. God, I hate people, bruh. That just drove me, bro. I'm not even gonna stun. Like, why the hell did you do that? Body still feels stiff. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, bro. My body still feel like a little bit stiff because of this that rock climb. I ain't gonna, like, my whole, like, when I turn like to the right, like dog, it really hurt, bro. Like, so like I just had to edit my seat like a certain way so I could sit comfortable, like I promise you. I even got the heat warmers on or something. They get vibey. Man, we got a whole, like, y'all see how far I be going? It's a whole hour. I see him up there. I think I see him up there. I don't know. I might be tripping. Like, I just, bro, my eyes real good, bro. I just spot out police like so easily, bro. Like, I don't know. I might be tripping though, because a lot of these people out here in Houston, they like to ride in these fed cars like that look like police, but they not. Like that one right there. Like, I know y'all see. I don't know. It's just sitting funny. The way it's sitting. I don't know. I might be wrong. I might just be overthinking. Might just be overthinking. Dang, bro, it's traffic too a little bit. Like, dang. Yeah, that ain't no police. I thought it was. Just flash red, like it just keep flashing because I'm not in manual. And manual would be different. Like, hold on, let me see. You see how it like flash and then it'll do it. Yeah, it'd be different. SRT, I'm coming by flying, boy. It be, bro, I'm telling you, boy. People them, you know, they be flying. Really be flying. We should be on full tank. Let's see what the gas level say. 88%. Nothing yet. We got some friends. We got some people. SRT behind me. Let's go. Let's go. Oh shit, we done ran over rocks and shit. They playing crazy, bro. I think they about to get off. Boy, they was playing crazy. Hey, yo. I hopped out on the highway, said I'm looking for victims. People was outside. Oh, yeah, a SCAT, then we was playing around with a cat, bro. Yes, sir. We came outside and we found some victims. I like to play cat and mouse in traffic. Them niggas was on something different. That's my type of vibe. That's my type of vibe. That is my type of vibe, man. The Infinity, I'm not gonna stunt. I slowed down on Infinity because no stunt. We got Camaro police officers out here, and I honestly thought that was a Camaro police officer that was right there, so that's why I chilled on that. But hey, yo, I ain't seen no police or nothing. We really cool and some. Damn, these niggas driving slow as hell. But yeah, man. Like, how much more I got? 22 minutes. Yeah, we about to get off too. Yeah, it's the end now, so we about to ride through the police and everything, so I gotta chill. But oh yeah, boy, that just had me hyped, bro. My heart beating, bro. That's how me and Jazz in the gang, we be riding back to back. Boy, he had the cat, the other one, I couldn't even really race with him. He was trying to race a little bit, but hey, we got what we got, man. Stop playing. Come on, hold on. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Don't do that to me. Do not try to get over. Hey, man, all these cars piled up now. Bro, I done missed my exit so many times, bro. Now I done finally made my exit. I kept missing. I was tripping. I'm like, what? Now we over here by where me and Mike be, where I got it. Man, I can't mess with that place. That dude tried to had that attitude, doing all that weird stuff with my ID. Man, they got stuff in the middle of the road. Damn, shit that down. That is. Yeah, it do be some whips over here, I ain't gonna lie. Boy, I'm telling you, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Man, y'all mess around know who them dudes was that was in that SCAT and that cat. Drop them below, man. Tell them to hit me up. I be liking to have people to cut up in traffic with me, bro. I'm telling you, boy. I literally went out on a hunt to find, like, to see, like, obviously I was on the way to my crib, but I'm like, I'm trying to see, like, man, can I find somebody that want to play with me and try? They came out of nowhere, the perfect time. I'm like, yeah, this is my type of motion right here. Okay, you trying to flex? Okay, that's my type of motion. So yeah, man, we going through a whole back way on me. See, I was sick, and it's an old dude driving it for sure. Old dude. Riding now, finally got out the highway, man. Man, that thing quiet, man. That thing quiet.
Drop the top on the roof, let the diamonds hit the sun. I used to try to make fun, now every day I make fun. I just had a feeling, always knew I was the one. I knew it.